Newton and Leibniz were two of the most influential mathematicians in history. They both lived during the 18th century and were known for their groundbreaking discoveries in calculus, a branch of mathematics that deals with rates of change and derivatives. One of the most famous disputes between Newton and Leibniz was over the ownership of calculus. Calculus had been developed independently by Isaac Newton and Gottfried Leibniz in the 17th century. However, it wasn't until the mid-18th century that mathematicians began to recognize the importance of the topic and began to work on unifying the different theories of calculus. Newton and Leibniz had different ideas about who was the true owner of calculus. Newton believed that he had developed calculus first, and that no one else had contributed to the field. Leibniz, on the other hand, believed that many mathematicians had worked on calculus before him, and that he had a legitimate claim to the ownership of the subject. Their dispute escalated over the years, with each mathematician making arguments in their favor. Eventually, a court of justice was called on to decide who was right. The court ruled in favor of Leibniz, recognizing his contributions to calculus, and giving him permission to use the term calculus in his name. The Newton-Leibniz dispute over calculus is a reminder of the sometimes contentious nature of science and mathematics. Despite their differences, both Newton and Leibniz made important contributions to their respective fields, and helped to lay the foundation for much of what we know today about calculus.